Hey yo, what's up guys, it is me Zane, back here with another video. As promised in my last video, today I'm going to be going through how you buy something off of WEGOBUY. So let's just get on into it. Okay, so obviously the first thing that you're going to want to do is log in, and then you're going to want to go to my WEGOBUY. Okay, pause. So I actually forgot to mention, in this video I'm only going to be covering the process of how to ship products that are in your warehouse to your home address. If you guys want to learn how to ship products to your warehouse, just go check out my last video where I teach you how to do all that. Link will be in the description down below. Okay, on with the video. You're going to want to click on warehouse, and here you have every single item that is in your warehouse. So what you're going to want to do is press select all, confirm, and select the country that you want to send it to and press submit. Now here comes the part where you have to pay for shipping. WEGOBUY offers a variety of different shipping services that you can select. For Canada, I guess they have HK UPS, which is really expensive. We have GD EMS and GD SAL. I'm obviously going with the cheapest one, even though it says that the shipping might not be stable. So shipping's gonna be $60, which is crazy because this is only like 5 items. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking GD SAL. So this is where stuff gets a little bit iffy and you have to enter a declared amount. I normally always put 5 because I'm not even sure what it means, but yeah, you guys can do what you want. Just make sure you don't go over the state's tariff threshold, because if you do that, you will get taxed. Once you've confirmed and submit, you're gonna want to select a payment option. In today's case, I'm going to be using PayPal. You can use credit card. So once you select your payment method, you're just going to want to press pay now. Then you're just going to want to press continue. And then your payment is complete. Okay, so that's how you order something off of WEGOBUY. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Subscribe to Zane Burko.